Hello, I am Leo Wang, and today we're diving into the complex and often contradictory signals the market is sending. On one hand, we're seeing a surge of optimism, with both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq reaching new all-time highs. This upward momentum appears to be fueled by two key factors: strong corporate earnings and renewed hope for international trade agreements. Recent statements from the administration suggest a 50-50 chance of securing a trade deal with the European Union and a lesser but still notable chance of a deal with Japan. This kind of talk reduces uncertainty and naturally boosts investor confidence, especially for export-oriented industries. However, a closer look reveals a more cautious undercurrent. In the technology sector, Intel is making significant moves to tighten its belt. The company has announced job cuts and substantial spending reductions, particularly within its foundry division that manufactures chips for other firms. The message from its leadership is clear: there will be no more blank checks, and all future investments must make solid economic sense. This is a major signal of corporate discipline and perhaps a more cautious outlook on future growth from a key industry player. Adding to this complex picture is the outlook on monetary policy. While no immediate interest rate cut is expected from the Federal Reserve, my analysis indicates that the groundwork is being laid for a future move. The consensus is building around a potential rate cut later this year, most likely in December. This forward guidance, while intended to be stabilizing, also introduces a long-term variable for investors to consider. So what we have is a market in a state of flux. The current rally is celebrating today's strong earnings and the possibility of resolving trade disputes. But at the same time, major corporate restructuring at companies like Intel and the looming prospect of shifting monetary policy from the Fed serve as powerful reminders that the path forward may not be as smooth. The key takeaway is a sentiment of mixed optimism, where the celebration of record highs is tempered by significant risks on the horizon.